It's holding his own.
I got stuck out there, Baker. Good news, man. You got a copy on this one? Number 5, Mobile. No mother thing to go. Quite good news. The man on the 100 watts gave you a 21 yesterday.
Hey, you so crazy. What shit, like 135 shit? You like that shit, you so crazy.
Quite good news. They gonna jump on me now. I got 100 watts. Hey, good news. They gonna show jump.
That's good news. Tell Bloodstone, but I'll show you a little longer.
What? They gonna kill me now. Good news. They show the kid on me now. Good news. The man on the 100 watt gun. Good news. Bring it.
That's good news. Tell Bloodstone don't get closer. But tell him I did say hello. That's good news. 135, go.
Hey, good news. I will be calling you sometime. No doubt about it. Good news. The man on the 100 watt. Now I will call you sometime on 6-7 and go.
Oh, 135, what time news come on around St. Louis? Hey, news, 135, what time the news come on around St. Louis? Come on.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock sharp, that break. O'clock to 6 o'clock. 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, so you don't miss it.
I'm not fooling with y'all doing.
Quick question. Who is that eating soup? Collard greens with their hand. Nah. Who doing that?
Hey, sorry, Wanda. The man.
I hope they kept me got some gloves on. I hope they kept me get some gloves on.
Hey, sorry, Brian, the cowboy and stuff. I like the cowboy and cowboy stuff. That's good news. He's a good friend of mine, no doubt about it. And every little time we can whoop you down a little bit, you probably be a better man for it. Man, with 100 watts, you get your fat ear looking ears, Ryan. Sorry, Taiwan. Taiwan, the good news has been there and gone.
Hey, Taiwan.
Yeah, you can't keep Phil back up. No, Godfather. I didn't say eat soup with my hand. I had a big brother out there say he got cotton pickers over there eating soup like they eat collard greens with their hands. And I just had to, Godfather, I had to key up and just ask about that, You know, they can't make it get at a water hole. They ain't got no cup and nothing like that. They just grab both hands and get the water and bring it on up to their face. That's how they do that, Arthur. They bring it on up there to their face, that break. Then he be over there trying to eat soup like he eat collard greens with his hand. Yeah, you can't get back in this mess no more. They're already mad at me. I'm out.
Yeah, you left them on them all. Worldwide good news with your bad self. Bloodstone on this 100 watt station. I'm out of here.
Well, look at them 99 watts. Hey, Bloodstone, you on 100, I'm on 99. Hey, Bloodstone, I'm on 99, I'm gone.
me tell Godfather good afternoon time to him, Mr. M. the King still by. You want to say hello, how to do to him also, and that'd be for sure. Big shout in the woods. But y'all not go hold me back out here, because I got cotton pickers out here. Like with the lips stuck out longer than strobes. I'll let y'all later, I'm getting down.
Father, you told me quit plug niggas in the bluegrass. Before you keep up, somebody thought what they got 99 watts. Hey, somebody keyed up before you keyed.
Boy, that's rough there. Big shouter, king of the South. Boy, both of you kind of took a bump down that time. Nah. I might sit out here a minute for you two there, 410.
When you sit out here for Master P one time, can't make it before I go to bed. I just want to wave a hand and get around the badlands of Texas. I'm getting down.
Hello, Master P's Bloodstone.
Dang. Boy, that's rough and tough there. Big shouted. King of the South, sir, King of the South, should I say? Somebody else out there bumping down on this cotton picking in. About 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of y'all bumping down. I'm going to sit here for this one. I want to see what turn out. Me and this one standing by.
I know you looking over at them dope pluggers, but I just want to say hey from the bluegrass cat nigga. Hey y'all, the P and the P-Funk. P and the P-Funk just saying hello and how they do. Breaker.
Wait, hold on a minute. Hold on. What you mean? What you mean you the king of... Wait a minute, let me see. Did I hear you correctly? Oh, you told me that before. You was the king of the South there, Fojet.
I believe it was you, 135. 135, good afternoon to you, 135. P and the P-Funk getting down.
Right, P. I think go your win, man. Hey, P will be holding 135, trying to put it right back in the radio, come on.
No pain, no strain, man. Just want to wave a hand. I ain't gonna stick too long, man. I gotta get out of here. Just got back in here doing a little 44 favor on that end. Heard you cat makers out there bumping down, and I just had to throw it in the world of sound and put the spokes on you. 135, I'm getting down.
Take care of yourself and good over here, man. Big one. Stay safe, get your mask on, and you know, do the ring on in here. Pink in the P-Funk, 135, big stars, big horn, that's right.
They own better.
14. Hey, man. Keep on with the keep it on. Me and this 20-footer uptown. Getting down, I see you.
Not as large, but I'm sure gonna remember on that side, no doubt about it. Now, you said the king of the South is your friend, so I don't need to be putting that out there, but look. Well, you know, ain't nothing wrong with being friend to yourself, because you are the king of the South, but right back.
I ain't go.
Hey, Bloodstone, that cat make get my ears tied up over there. That cat make over in the badlands of Texas. Arthur got my ears plugged up talking over in the backwoods on that cat making in. But good afternoon to you. You and your 100 watts, me and this 99 watts got down and gone.
Before, I don't make the news, I report it. A lot of times I be pushed and I was trying to go, but you all pushed me in this situation I am now in. So guess what? When I'm in, I'm all in. Mr. C, I'm right back.
With that P-Funk, Bloodstone running this 100 watts up to 70.
E1070 gone, man. That cat make it plugged up on my ears again. That damn duck plugger looking over there. And cat make his beam so tight I can't even get inside his beam. He plugging up on my ears up in the bluegrass. Hey, Bloodstone, put it on you later. Me and this 20-footer uptown with no conditions around the badlands of Texas. I'm gone.
Cannonball Beast do what he do. Let me see, I got, look. I got old bald head just bumped down on that side. Was that? No, that wasn't bald head. That was kind of big over there. Trying to pretend to be bald head. 48. He say he king of the bear. He bumped down in there, but he couldn't stay with that Cannonball Beast. I don't know if he was trying to stay, but I heard him for a shout down. Hey, Mr. C. Hey, king of Alabama, come here.
Hey, Arthur, share some of that antenna, cat nigga. Hey, Arthur, Master P up in the bluegrass says, share some of that antenna. Them big duck pluckers got a whole bunch of watts out there, and I ain't got that much. But I need you to share some of the antenna. Hey, King Arthur, the P-Funk uptown, getting down.
Oh, P-Funk, Chucky.
Mr. C. Try to stay. This ain't out there. Anytime he key, he trying to...
I heard Chucky when they first got up off that mall. And some other big brother. I heard King Arthur bump back down. They kept me had my ears, but I kind of heard you 135. You kind of come over, and I could make out what you were saying at the end on that end. But that plug, give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more audio, Catmiga, so you can get that Catmiga all the way out of my ears. Me and this 20-footer paying attention. 135. I got down.
058. That's who it is.
Hey, 058, right back, man. Good afternoon to you, Catmiga. Hey, good afternoon to you, 058, man. You the only thing I can understand that go around. But good afternoon to you. If you got a sloppy copy, I'm waving 4-1, 058. I got down. Well, 135, man. We do the best we can. I'm sure that Catmiga, you saying that Catmiga's on a shootout station. Well, it is what it is. But 135. I guess I ain't got no shootout station. I got one of them old popcorn stations. Just enough to pop popcorn. Hey, 135, I'm getting down.
Lord have mercy. Mr. C, don't make me pass that 5. Mr. C, don't you twist my arm and make me pass that 5, but I got to report it. You said, yeah, King Alabama, 48. That the best thing him to do is keep them dollars in his pocket, because all he doing is paying a power bill. You say when you bump down, you paying a power bill also, but the difference is, because you smiling and happy. He paying a power bill, and
Who's that just called Master P, man? That damn King Arthur got that hammer down, but you say, hey, Master P. And that's all I heard, man. But who was that break?
Stop him right back.
Master P. Master P. 580 Master P.
Yeah, right back 580. Man, I'm telling you, that damn Arthur got my damn ears plugged up, man. I need somebody to come over the top of that Catmiga. Man, it can't make me to point his beam down a little bit further south on it. Get up out of my ears while he got that little tight beam, won't let nobody get in the side of it. Me and this 20-footer paying attention. 5'8", I got down.
Master P, Bloodstone, by Master P, Bloodstone, by Master P, Bloodstone, by Master P, Bloodstone.
You say you can whoop 48.
Bloodstone, I thought you was going 10-7. Bloodstone, I thought you was going 10-7. P and the P-Funk. Hey, Bloodstone, I got down.
Them boys made me come back. I heard those 5'8" out there. He told me he whooped on me. I was finna put that maul on his butt, P. Hey, P, I heard 5'8" out there talking. He told me he put that maul on me. I really put this thing on his Bloodstone.
I stand over there and pay that bill. Maybe he
told me he whooped on me. I was finna put that maul on his butt, P. Hey, P, I heard 5'8" out there talking. He told me he put that maul on me. I really put this thing on his Bloodstone.
I stand over there and pay that.
That's what you doing right now, Catmiga. That's what's up in my radio at this 1036. Hey, Bloodstone, I see you. Good day.
Right, Master P, Bloodstone. Right, Master P, Bloodstone, sir. I see ya. Hey, Master P, Bloodstone wanna know them boys were keying on my Honda watch. But I guarantee I ain't got no Honda watch stuck out there now, Master P. I ain't got no Honda watch stuck out there, Master P, Bloodstone. I'm out of here.
P, you don't know 48?
That's what you should have done in the first place, you duck plucker. You be sandbagging. You sandbag all the time. Bloodstone, this is the last one I'm going to play, but you be doing that thing right there, no doubt. Hey, Bloodstone, check it out.
Master P. Hey, Master P. Bloodstone want to know them boys were keying on my 100 watts. But I guarantee I ain't got no 100 watts stuck out there now, Master P. I ain't got no 100 watts stuck out there, Master P. Bloodstone, I'm out of here.
Hey, you don't know.
You see what you doing to my 20-footer? Hey, Bloodstone, me and this 20-footer, and you ain't on no 100 watts. I see you. Bye-bye.
Master P, I ain't on no 100 watts. I wouldn't lie. Hey, 100 watts, they were whooping my butt. 135 was tearing me up, 5-8 was tearing me up. But now I ain't on no goddamn 100 watts. Take care, Master P. Bloodstone, so you sounded some kind of good. Master P with the P-fog. Bloodstone.
Listen to this.
Well, I appreciate it, man, but keep them flies for yourself, man. Hey, Stone, it's always a pleasure to put this spoke on you, man. Hope you're doing well on that end. Been a while since we talked to you. But Bloodstone, audio, and more audio got down and gone. Bye-bye.
Well, Master P, that cat making radio sound good. That cat radio 24/7 told me my radio sound bad. Oh, 24/7 live, they told me my radio sound bad. But I heard it for myself. Hey, Master P, 24/7 said my radio was sounding bad. Hey, Master P, Bloodstone, it'll be on gone.
Hey, Bloodstone, that cat nigga was confused, wasn't he? That cat nigga was confused on that cat nigga in. It ain't your radio, it's your voice. Hey, Bloodstone, we know why you sound like you sound, cat nigga, but it ain't your radio. It ain't your radio. That cat nigga smoking, no doubt about it, man. You just need me on it, a big homie on it, and that cat nigga be blowed up, no doubt about it, man. But we know why you ain't got your voice right on that cat nigga in, but it's doing its thing. Put it on you later, Bloodstone. I got down.
Little boys, but you say what you gonna do, I'ma do the real good thing. You wanna see how the little boys play, so you gonna step out the way. You say you wanna see how the little boys play, read the mail and let the little boys play. Lord have mercy. Mr. C and the Bam, excuse me, the king of the South, Mr. C. Wow.
That damn king ought to plug my ears that time, Bloodstone. I heard you back here, though. I just slow keyed because I'm trying to put some interference. He's looking over in the backwoods, and he's plugging my ears up here. But he shared some of that antenna. I might put something on somebody's ashtray across that backwoods. Put it on you later, Stone. Me and this audio machine uptown Louisville got down and gone.
5-8, I'm trying to bust that cat bigger britches.
During that time where you had that moment,
Hang on in my phone.
on a calculator and start adding up.
410. Alright, Dan Stone, have a super fine one till we can do it again, man. Better get my ashtray out of here. I had to take my little 44. She got her new freezer. I had to take that cat maker and put it up and get it running and stuff for her. Shit, I'm a while now. So I better get on out here and get in this bed and do the diesel car. Hey, Bloodstone, I'm gonna sit back here for just a skosh bit more, but I'm reading the mail. Bye.
Ball beast. It's the balls of Alabama. That's why they call you Mr. C. Lord have mercy, Mr. C. About.
Bye, Bloodstone. The stone. Bloodstone in the dome. I see you. Bye.
Won't be no 5-8.
Here are you, Mr. C. You say they want you real bad, but they can't have you on that side. You just sit back and hesitate and listen to what was going on. Mr. C, you sure got that maul down. Hey, guess what? I don't know what it were, what made me do this. But prior to you bumping down, I cut this cotton-picking Watergate on. Lord have mercy. I think I got me another good one. Picasso couldn't have played one better. Mr. C and the Bam, the balls, Alabama. South, I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Jay.
I wish you'd get out of my ears, cat nigga. Turn some of that shit down. Hey, Arthur, turn some of that stuff down, can't make it by.
Hey, 12, Bloodstone to shame on you, man. Know if you need somebody, you'll cut my grass. Take that J1 on 12 to kick it up in there and say he gonna cut my grass if I'm paying. That cat make 12 no, he ain't gonna cut no grass.
Hey, Wiper, I got that on the Watergate. I got what you said on the Watergate, but I only got it after Mr. C unkeyed. Now, listen.
Tell me he come up here and cut mines, though. Hey, Bloodstone, when they come up over here tomorrow, tell him he can come over here and cut mines. I got $40. I got $40 for him. I got down.
Have that cannonball beast. He talking about Mr. C, the boss of Alabama and the king of the South. He holding two towers at the same goddamn time. Now listen to this. I was forced into this. I didn't want to be here on this. But Mr. C, you sure got that maul down. Now you gonna listen to what the little boy sound like. I'm getting down.
I ain't getting none of that fire, can't make it. But I need my grass cut. That damn Arthur had my ears, Bloodstone. Put it on you later, man. But I got $40, so if that cat maker won't cut mines, I can tell him I got $40. I'll see you. Click. I ain't cutting no grass, cat maker. I got $40 for him to cut my grass, cat maker. I just called my yard man, asked him if he's gonna stop by tomorrow. So if he tell me he gonna cut it today for 40, he can get it. I need it cut today. Me and this 20-footer got down.
Listen to this. I can't but help myself to go back in this archive of a few minutes ago or something Mr. C said. Hey, windshield wiper. He said you got the biggest station. Now, listen. He said you got the biggest station on the East Coast, but you get keyed on the most. Lord, I ain't trying to start none. I'm just saying.
I'm gone, Bloodstone. That cat make got my ears open. Windshield wiper and Mr. C and the BAM, them cat makers are bumping down, and there's some funny shit going on right there. So I'm gonna ease on back and listen in for a minute. Me and this 20-footer got down and go.
Somebody keyed them, said they gotta check the audio. It wasn't Mr. C. Somebody said they gotta check the audio. You say you get keyed on the most cause you get keyed on by your friend. Hey, windshield wiper, listen, like I told you before. I have no friends, no more than my maker. Therefore, you don't have to worry about all that. Put it on you later. Windshield wiper, wipe it up the bowl and go.
Oh, 12, Illinois. 135, wait. Hey, 12, Bloodstone, I passed your 5, nothing.
The audio is right there on that side, no doubt about it.
Well, I wasn't keyed up though, plugger. But I still offering that $40, cat maker. Tell him I appreciate the way too. And everything here is all well and swell around my stack. Hey, Bloodstone, I'm back out.
Okay, and you appreciate him waving at you. You appreciate him waving at you on that end, but you still get $40 to cut your grass. Hey, that's me. You say you still 12, you will give $40 to cut your grass. Bye.
I heard windshield wiper say.
Well, that's what I get charged. My yard man charging me $40 front and back. Weed eat. That's what he charged me. I ain't paying no more than that. I just let him get over here tomorrow. I just needed to cut today. He ain't gonna be, my yard man ain't gonna be able to get over here today. But it is what it is. Hey, Bloodstone, I'm back out.
Okay, 12, keyed up. You need me to call 135. If you need me, call Big Horn 135. I'll see you. Bye. Hey,
That got real clear, key down on your head. On the dog, they don't know if I'm gone.
Yeah, 410. Well, that's all I got. But 135 said if I need him, I can call him. Hey, Bloodstone, that's what they kept me keyed up, said if I need him, just call him. Hey, but Bloodstone, that's all I got. If 1212 don't want $40, then just say no. Bye, bye, bye.
Right. Hey, 1212,
I'm gonna charge you $5. Hey, Pete, 135 said I'm gonna charge you $5 straight and back in on the side. I'm good.
all he got. Hey, 1212, Master P say all he got is
Hold up.
And you tell that town nigga 135 to stay in this place. Tell him Bloodstone to stay in this place, man.
Hey, Bloodstone, that cat made keyed up and said he gonna charge me $5. But hey, 135. Now let me understand something. $5 now, shit, that's real cheap. And if you cut my grass and have it all flip-flopped and looking all crazy, I ain't paying you no damn $5 if my grass is all jacked up that break.
I'm gonna have you right. I'm gonna have you right and tight, man. I'm gonna have you right, man. I'm gonna be an economical yard man. You know what I'm talking about. For our people. You know, we the people.
Yeah, folks. Well, okay. I can understand that, and then I'll tip you. I'll give you $5 for the labor, and I'll tip you $35 on that cat making in. You'll get the whole 40 on that cat making in, but I'll pay you $5 for the labor, and you do a good job, I'll tip you $35. I'm gone.
Clear. He said he'll just on it. But if you do a good job, he said he'll tip you $5. Hey, clear.
Hey, Stone 135. I ain't old stepladder keyed up. I'm gonna try to speak on it. He talking up there in Illinois. 812 stepladder. Good afternoon to you. I'm trying to wave from the bluegrass. P and the P-Funk getting down.
Roger, Master. Hey, Master P, you did just what you said. Hey, stepladder going back to Home Depot. Hey, P, 135, so I'm gonna put stepladder back to Home Depot Lowe's now on the ladder. I'm gonna take him back to Home Depot, P. I'm gone. Master P, around your bluegrass, stepladder, Mobile, and Texas, got down.
Yeah, 410 on that, man. Hey, stepladder, damn 135 said he gonna make you go back to Home Depot on that cat making in. You in the Mobile on that cat making in, no doubt about it. Be safe out there while you're 10-12, but he said he gonna make you turn around and go back to Home Depot. 135, what'd he do, forget something? What you say, he forgot something that break?
You know Rattles. Rattles found at Home Depot.
You crazy. Yeah, stepladder get to the house though. It might be something going on, but I know you ain't scared, cat nigga. But that cat nigga's in the Mobile. So leave that cat nigga alone. Leave my friend alone. Hey, stepladder, have a super fine one, man. Be safe getting back to the house. Hey, 135. Big on 135. You so crazy.
Watch my back, I'm 251. Watch my back. AK1, Bloodstone, I'm 250. Click, I'm gone. I need the 12 Bloodstone, alright, I'm gone.
Take him with you if he ain't cutting my grass. Take him with you if he ain't gonna cut my grass. Bye.
www.com. I ain't gonna keep them on www.com. That is Mobile. Bloodstone, I'm 10-7. Watch my back. I gotta go. Watch my back. Bye.
Ain't nobody gonna wash your back, duck plugger. Ain't nobody gonna wash your back. Take them cat niggas with you and they ain't gonna cut my grass. Bye.
You said www, blow his horn in that Mobile. Hey, www, you said www. Hey, boy. Blow your horn. Blow your horn.
What does that mean, blow your horn? I ain't never understood that. Blow your horn. What's that gonna do? Blow your horn. Hey, Bloodstone, blow your horn. Bye.
But we blow the horn. Bloodstone. Easy more to this. We look as we go. I've been going to self, but I'm going to self this time. I'm not going to keep them all. I'm 12, and that other. I ain't keeping them on Bloodstone at all. I mean, you ain't going nowhere. You like plug it in, plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. And talking to them big radio Bloodstone, I'm gone. Okay, I'm quit plugging in. I'm 57 gone.
Not too tricky, man. You was down here in Texas, man.
Doggone, why you out there? You plugging in yourself. You talking about you doggone plugging in, you plugging in yourself. You doggone plugging in yourself, and I'm back quiet.
You want to show us shit? What about it? Come on.
Who's plugging ears, though? Who's that plugging ears that break?
Hey, radio talk. I'm gonna plug in here, though, brother. Who's it, though, brother? Sidewinder don't. Sidewinder don't act like this.
Yeah, you want to show us shit? What about it? Come on.
That child sees the truck rolling on. Sidewinder. 2 shots of moonshine and no chaser. Roger. 2 shots of moonshine and no.
No, that's my neighbor. Let me get out of the way.
Sure, this is radio check. Sidewinder, Louisville, no condition down. Lieutenant Sidewinder around Louisville. All right, then, big brother, yourself some fine one. God grace around your stack of bricks, and do tell a good time gang out there say hello. Mr. Sidewinder, 2 shots of moonshine and no chaser, and I saw ya. All right, 2 shots of moonshine, no chaser. Bye, Sidewinder. Bye, Sidewinder. Bye, 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 bye.
I just need 1 shot. I don't need no 2. I just need 1.
You say you don't need but 1 shot. You say you don't need but 1 shot. All right, then, P-Funk, hey, that's so fun. I'm fine with you and that 20-footer. Moonshine, I'm going out.
Go 10. Have a good day. Hey, just 1 shot. I'm going to bed. I see you. Good day.
Bye, 20-footer. Bye, 20-footer. Bye. Yeah. Hey, 723 is rough on this little diesel truck, man. Hello, 723.
Big on the 134. What's going on with 212 around the North Yard North? Come on.
All right, 723.